Welcome back. Today we will talk about accounting settings. Let's start by going to Quick Menu and Settings and move on to Accounting Settings. Here we are going to set our default accounts. Before that, we specify the first month of our fiscal year. Let's say not January, it's going to be March. Then we should start filling in our default accounts. So firstly, we have our bank account, and here we will put in our main bank account. What do we call it? Bank FNB. There you go. That's our account. And then in the sales, we will need to put in our sales default account. But before we do the sales, let's do the undeposited funds, which will be our cash account. So every time we receive cash and we create payment receipts, we record it under this account, cash. All right. Then, as I was saying with the sales, in this case, I have many sales accounts, so I'm not going to put anything here. Same here with the cost of sales. I will also leave this blank, as well as my expense account. I leave all of these accounts blank because I have so many different sales, cost of sales, and expense accounts, so it will vary per invoice or per inventory item. So for now, I will leave these blank. Let's imagine, for example, I sell motorcycles and I don't want to allocate it to the sale of tires. And if I put a default account, then I have the risk of forgetting to change it. So I'd rather leave it blank to make sure that the system reminds me every time that I need to change my account per invoice or per inventory item. Okay, so now let's go to inventory. I will select my inventory control account. Inventory control, okay. Shipping income, I will also leave it blank because I don't use it in my company. Next, let's go to our AR and AP account. Our AR is the accounts receivable account, which is for the customer control account. And the AP is our supplier control account, which is our accounts payable. Any advance income account is mainly used for like school businesses, so I won't use it in my company. Therefore, I'll leave it blank. As for the rest of the accounts, if you have them, you can specify them. Otherwise, just leave them blank. But when it's time for you to deal with exchange losses or exchange gains, the system will require you to add an account. As for the opening balances account, I have one, so I will select my account here, opening balance, and it is used when you upload opening balances for your customer and for your accounts. Okay, let's move on to our closing the books. This is what you will do at the end of the year, and you will specify a specific date for it. And if you want to do it per module, you can also do it. So here you have the date that you're going to close your books, and if you want to specify per module, you just click on it, and then it asks you there. Okay, you just add in the information if applicable. If you don't want to do it per module, you can just put in a date, and the system gives you an option to either just warn or require a password when you are changing things for the year while it has been closed. We're done for today. Hope this video was helpful. See you next time.